All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. I got done changing a water pump on a Jetta, and this is your water pump, and early model Jetta, and this is what happened to it. So the impeller basically cracked on the inside, so it was just basically spinning, and it wasn't having the opportunity to circulate any water. So if your Jetta is overheating, but you have a new thermostat, your fluid level is good, your water pump is basically what has failed you. And the original was a plastic impeller. It's crazy. But anyway, I'll put a link and a replacement to a new impeller that is actually aluminum, so it will last a long time. And even though this plastic one probably lasts you 15, 20 years, ultimate failure is going to be that. The seal didn't break, so it wasn't leaking. So you didn't get any telltale signs of like water leaking all over your driveway. But anyway, that's the cause. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and subscribing. Be safe out there.